We started our business out of our house. We lived in a loft at the time in the city, and I had 2 dogs when I met my husband. And the poop bag holders on the market were just really crummy, and they broke all the time. I wanted something that was more functional and designed well and didn't look like I'm carrying around poop bags. So I said I wanted the fanciest, coolest poop bag holder on the market. And over time, we perfected it from going from an aluminum product to a plastic product. And so we called Catalyst. It was super easy, and sent them our drawings, sat down with the team. They talked about our design, and they made it better. A designer can design something, but when it comes to production and the molds, I mean, things can be more efficient. And because they're all in-house, it made it very seamless. So in the meeting, we had the industrial designer, we had one of the owners, we had the head of production and in charge of the molds. And so to have the mold and production person sitting in the same meeting as the owner and the designers, I think that's really unusual. We realized that we were elevating the category because we were competing with products that were $3. But it does make a difference when we came to Catalyst. They showed us all the capabilities. They showed us, how we can cut costs and work up with the molding. And it made a huge difference in regard to the fact that they make the molds here versus somebody making the molds and then bringing it to here for production. And so the fact that they're all in-house makes a huge difference, and so you don't have 2 entities miscommunicating. So the process goes a lot faster. People assume that, when it comes to a toy, when it comes to a product that's made overseas, the more you can show people that you can have a quality product and have a quicker turnaround time and can be price competitive, that you can show that it's possible. We're planning on visiting one of my customers here in Indianapolis that has 3 stores. They know their customer. They know them by name, they know their dog's name, and they know I'm accessible. The customers that we have support us and truly believe in what we're doing.
That we can explain to them, oh, this is cute. It's really cute, but did you know how it's made and where it came from? It's woman owned, and it's local, now down the street, just here on the west side of Indy. They produce, the loop and all of this. So it's just a cool product.
We're in Chicago, Catalyst is in Indianapolis. We wanted to be able to have the ability to drive down the way to meet the people that are making our product. I could see production, I could see how it works. They could show us the machinery. Catalyst has it all in the back, and so we always ask them, what is our inventory? They can tell us in 2 seconds. Their production schedules are really tight, and so you know exactly when to expect it. And it's never a situation where they're telling us, oh, it's another 4 weeks. They have never overpromised, and they've always exceeded our expectations. I've never had to call with a problem. And it's been 9 years.